Chef, thank you so much for having us in your kitchen today. And what are we going to make? What are we making here?
Well, I have a piece of salmon here, and I tell you, certainly when I was a kid, raw fish was not part of my vocabulary, you know.
Sure.
But it has changed a great deal now. So here I would put a piece of plastic wrap, put another plate on top, do the same plastic wrap, and I can do 12 of those. Tartar really makes a big difference. If you cut your fish rather, you cannot put that in the food processor.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's a paste.
you could, but you would have to stop, start to. It get pasty very fast.
Yeah.
One thing that you don't put now in there, you don't put lemon juice, citric acid or acetic acid. Any of that is going to kind of eat the protein. It become all white, like if someone ate it already. So you don't put it in there. You put it when you serve it at the table.
It's been such a pleasure to be here with you, Chef. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.